Here is a question making most marketers go quiet. Out of all the ads you're paying for right now, which one actually made you money? Forget about vanity metrics like their cost per click or the sheer volume of leads filling your calendar. We are looking for the specific ad that turned a stranger into a repeat buyer. Almost no business can answer that. This lack of visibility is quietly burning through marketing budgets, one untracked dollar at a time. Lacking a direct link between a campaign and its resulting revenue turns a marketing budget into a game of luck. This visibility gap exists because your data is trapped on disconnected islands. The ad platform records clicks, the payment system tracks sales, and the email tool watches signups, but they have no way to talk to each other. Because these systems are isolated, marketers often scale flashy ads that fail to produce revenue, while pausing the quiet performers that were secretly driving their best sales. Hardware privacy changes make this even harder. On devices like the iPhone, returning visitors look like completely new strangers, breaking traditional tracking that businesses used to rely on. Relying on these fragmented platforms and fragile browser signals forces a business to optimize for deceptive illusions rather than verifiable growth. To bridge these islands, you need a customer data platform, a single source of truth that stitches every step of a journey into one story. This is identity stitching. It snaps disconnected actions across visits and devices into a single, verified profile. Powered by server-side tracking like the Conversions API, you privately link ad views to actual buyers away from the browser, even when cookies are blocked. This system organizes current performance data while securing your ability to track revenue against a more private and restricted internet. Consider the journey of a customer named Bala Subramanian. He didn't decide quickly. He visited the landing page 6 separate times before he finally bought. A traditional model would only look at his last click, completely misjudging which ads actually deserved the credit for his decision. The CDP also revealed that he returned 3 more times after purchasing. He wasn't just a one-time buyer. He was a highly engaged customer ready for the next offer. Without identity stitching to link these 9 separate touches, this loyalist would look like a handful of random disconnected visits. Then there is Gracie. Her journey was the opposite. One landing page view followed by an immediate conversion on a 49 rupee offer. But that single visit eventually led to 4,048 rupees in payments as she moved up through the premium tiers. Judging that first ad only by its immediate return would have led a marketer to undervalue it and potentially switch it off. Because 2 different customers can come from the exact same page, only a CDP can tell you the truth about which ads are building the business. The data shows you cannot judge an ad by the first click or entry-level sale. A CDP allows you to see the exact lifetime revenue a campaign generates against the specific cost of acquiring that customer. This level of tracking marks the line between high-risk marketing spend and calculated revenue investment. Can you answer the question now? Of all the ads you are running, do you know which one actually made you money and what that customer is worth over their lifetime? A customer data platform is the only tool that closes this knowledge gap. If you want to build this exact level of clarity for your own business, simply send me a direct message. With data access tightening globally, absolute clarity has rapidly moved from a luxury to a requirement for staying in business.